Have you ever seen a computer so cheap that you just had to buy it to see if the deal was too good to be true?
Well, we did just that with this $77 gaming PC shipped to our door. It features a graphics card and a processor that's very capable of gaming, but why was it only $77 on eBay? We're gonna open up and find out after a word from today's sponsor. Attention PC builders, do you want to save money on your Windows activation? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. An awesome online marketplace with game keys and also Windows licenses.
It's awesome how easy it is to activate Windows. You literally just buy a key on GVG Mall using code TB20 to get a really good discount, and from there, you literally copy and paste the key into Windows, and boom, you now have an activated version of Windows.
You can get Windows 10, Windows 11, and a bunch of other different keys at GVG Mall, and be sure to use code TB20 on checkout to save money on a Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other key from GVG Mall. Big thanks again to GVG Mall for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into it, shall we?
All right, so upon opening our gaming PC that supposedly can game, this is from, it's a surplus place, so it looks like they do this stuff often. I'm gonna try not to show too many addresses here, but 7791 in the description, or actually the title, is literally custom gaming PC, FX 6300, 8 gig RAM, GeForce GTX.
GeForce GTX, which on further investigating is a GTX 950. And full disclosure here for our eBay videos that we do a lot, this video was made by doing some deal hunting where we go on eBay, browse newly listed items, and we found this PC and we were like, hey, that is ridiculously cheap. Even for the specs being an FX processor and a GTX 950, getting this for under $100 is actually really cheap in eBay standards because of eBay fees and all that. So we had to buy it, but again, it's gonna be hard for you guys to find a deal like this at home, but this is more of a proof of concept that with deal hunting, you can find deals like this. So let's see if we actually got a deal or if we actually got scammed.
It's crazy because, so if we paid $77 after, that was like everything, like tax, shipping. So they obviously lose a few bucks from tax. Then they lose a few dollars from the eBay fees, which is like 8 to 12%. And then shipping, this had to have at least, I mean, even though it's FedEx, like, it had to have been 25 bucks minimum.
Which makes me wonder, even if they got this for free, I don't get why they sold it for so cheap on eBay. I mean, I would get like a Facebook listing, maybe selling this for like 70 bucks quick profit if you got it for free, but I feel like we're missing something here.
It's like all profit at that point, but like eBay, I feel like they made basically like $30 to $40. I'm like, is that worth it?
And this is well packaged. We've gotten some computers that were like $500, $600 that were not packaged this well.
This is another $3 worth of packing materials.
It's crazy, guys. The bubble economy, it's exploding, guys. The bubble economy.
The Bubblenomics.
The Bubblenomics.
Yeah, so, I mean, for sure who we bought this from, they're definitely like, they know what they're, so I guess it's long time.
Good friends, long time.
Eclectus?
This is long lime. You said long time.
Long lime eclectus. What does that mean? McAllister, will you demonstrate what a long lime eclectus is, please?
Oh boy.
Holy crap.
Oh, something's rattling in there too.
Oh.
I expected this.
For the price we paid, this is what we pay for.
Yes, what we pay for. So I'm gonna rattle around in a power supply that's kind of sketch.
Roswell case? Is it Roswell on the front? We got a Roswell fan, is why I asked.
I don't see anything Roswell on the front. I do see stickers for AMD FX and powered by ASUS.
Also, can we talk about back here?
Whoa!
This is definitely from like an HP or an Optiplex.
Yes. I was not expecting it to look like this.
That's actually
what is that?
Oh, dude, I saw it moving and I thought it was a plug.
We thought we were getting roach attack. This is atrocious.
I'm not sure whatever this
Holy
is.
Holy crap. Oh, it's a screw and...
No, and all the cables just came out.
Oh, what is that? So I see why this was so cheap, but...
Yeah, okay.
There's something here. So, processor, FX 6300, RAM should be 8 gigs. Looks like we have 2 sticks of ballistics, name brand, an ASUS motherboard, which I'm trying to see a specific ASUS motherboard. Kind of hard to tell on these FX boards.
Yeah, hybrid CFX AM3 plus support. Probably underneath the graphics card if I had to guess.
Probably.
But I think it'd be like, what is that, like H87?
Probably, like yeah. Pretty basic FX-based motherboard. The GPU is an EVGA, rest in peace EVGA. GTX 950, which that would be a 2 gig card. So nothing super flashy, but still a capable GPU that can play esports titles on lower settings. And the power supply is
700 watt TR2, which is 80 plus bronze.
Okay, it's a pretty old power supply, but again, this is what we expected for under $100.
I mean, the ketchup and mustard, you can't fix that. But at the same time, this really could be, man, I feel like I say this every time. This kid looks so nice.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a monitor, we're gonna plug this up and make sure it actually turns on. There was a picture on the listing that verified that it does work. I did grab an SSD. It is an FX build. The SSD is over here, by the way. I figured, you know what, let's add like a 512 in there. Good enough for a couple games, Windows install. Not when Black Ops 6 comes out, but this will work perfectly for that. We'll get that installed, and as long as everything works there, we can get Windows going. We'll do the usual Toasty Bros TLC here. We gotta take this out back, blow it. Then we also need to cable manage a little bit and see what we're all in after all of that and kind of see what the gaming performance is like. So let's just make sure it works. Let me grab a monitor. Here we go, baby. This can either work or it could blow up. McAllister, you decide with the edit. Oh, we have a blue fan.
Dude, imagine some blue sleeve cables.
Blue sleeve cables, a little feature action. We posted. It says no keyboard detected, no storage devices found. Obviously, we don't have everything in there, so at least posted, it works. So I think she needs a cleaning. I'm really scared. It is really hot here, but we're gonna go outside and we're gonna clean this thing up.
I think today's the hottest day.
It's gonna be the hottest day it's been in a while, but we're gonna take it outside and get her blown out really quickly, and then hopefully bunch up the cables a little bit. I just noticed this fan's not spinning, by the way.
It was a second ago.
Maybe it's a profile or something. I mean,
Oh,
it
no,
is.
that's a bad fan.
It's a bad fan. Look at that.
Yeah, look.
If that fan is bad. So we'll have to replace that fan. So we'll calculate that into the final cost as well. But as long as we keep this in terms of our total investment, like 120 bucks total with the PC and like everything else.
That's still really good.
I think that's still really good, especially even though it's FX, it's older. $120 custom computer, not too bad. Let's take it out back and give her the treatment.
Beat it up.
Give it the treatment.
Hello, my friend, we'll meet again. McAllister, put some Creed over this.
Forget the copyright. We don't need
It's
it.
like a couple seconds though. What's the limit on that now?
I don't know.
10 minutes? All right, bet.
Oh, hey, what's up? So Jackson's plugging it in. Something's in a fan. Something's in a fan. Oh, I see it. It's our adapter.
Oh. Yeah, we had an adapter, guys.
We had an
USB
adapter.
2.
Yeah, so there was no USB 3 on there, so we had a USB 3 to 2 adapter to use the extra USB 2 header on the motherboard. So that USB 3 port, I think there's 2 of them actually, it's now usable, but we're running at USB 2 speeds. It's at least usable. But again, cable management not amazing. I really tried to take advantage of the extra hard drive tray we had, and the SSD is, well, mounted with hardware and kind of held in by a bunch of stuff. Hey, it's an SSD, it's gonna be fine, but all in all, it's looking all right. We gotta get Windows installed on it and make sure that works just fine. But doing a little quick maths, we are $77 after tax and shipping. A 512 SSD is what, like $30?
$31.
$31, so we're at $101 at that point. Safe bet, right under 120 bucks is what we'll say.
Let's just say 117. Spartan.
Spartan 117. Let's call it Spartan 117. Hello, Master Chief. How do you do? Let's go ahead and install some games and see how it performs. Oh, wait, here we go. We've crowned V the Master Chief.
Fire.
Benchmark time. All right, guys, we managed to get this $77 shipped to our door computer up and running, and we're playing some Fortnite. Far view distance, low textures across the board. Everything checks out. So GTX 950, FX 6300, and obviously with FX being as old as it is and how kind of disappointing it was even when it was launched, I expect this to be a bit of a stuttering mess, but we are running performance mode, which I think performance mode exists for hardware like this. So as long as we maintain around 60 FPS with minimal stutters, I will consider this a win, but I'm just impressed that this PC existed on eBay with a graphics card. I was kind of expecting it not to have a graphics card and just expect to upgrade it in the end, but with a graphics card, you can't complain too much. Textures look like garbo, but we're in, baby. I have it locked to 120 right now because I feel like anything above that will cause a lot of stutters, so just do keep that in mind. Come on, Spidey, are you kidding me? Oh, this guy is scary. Ah! I went full bot mode on that one. Requeue. Thanks. Bad moves. Whoa, what is happening behind me? Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no, this is not good. Oh, I kept missing shots. Dude pulled up and caused the most massive lag spike. All right, we'll get one more Q in. Goodbye. Oh, I somehow hit that. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna say Fortnite, it's playable, but it's definitely on the heavy stutter side. Somebody's first PC who just wants to casually play Fortnite, kid's first PC, if you manage to deal hunt and find these specs, it would be fine, but there's just a lot of limitations here. But hey, 77 bucks shipped to my door. Some people DoorDash meals end up being $77. I know you're out there. I've done it. I regret it, but I know you're out there. Yeah, I don't know. Let's move on to the next game.
All right, guys, we are playing Counter-Strike, and this is Counter-Strike 2, of course. The settings are, yep, I always lose them. But we are currently running 1080p, and we are pretty much on low settings.
Low.
Because, you know, esports title, but man, FX, it is dated.
Yep, FX is struggling, and that's kind of the theme about this video. We did a $100 PC with like a 4th Gen i5, and I will say, let's see if you did do a bit better. And that was us building it ourselves, not buying a pre-built computer. But hey, we just want to demo CS because obviously it's a still very popular game, and a lot of people are even building high-end PCs and still playing this game for whatever reason.
Why, I don't know. Every time I play it, I'm just like, yep. Yeah. Playable, but like not like enjoyable, you know? I need no opinions down below. Do we still need to keep benchmarking this? Or is there a new one?
Is there a new one?
What's the new seat?
Hey.
Yay!
Always be No Carl. Hey, long shot on guess who? Limon.
Lemonade.
Oh,
God,
let's. No.
Why can you do this? I don't get it. Kelsey, make this a complaining compilation.
We've seen one more.
Shit.
Punch up.
Play it safely.
They're spawning in. They're aiming down the sights on you. 3!
I got him.
He
That's
got the
3.
3. Let's
10
go.
seconds left. 360.
Yeah, CS don't run great. Obviously, it's supposed to run on anything, but ever since CS2, really old hardware does struggle, and I wouldn't make this competitive at all. Let's go ahead and run. Let's run an even more demanding game because that sounds like a great idea, right? Because it's not running CS. Let's run a more demanding game. Let's run 3 Mar Time Spy, and yeah, just talk about this PC. I mean, hey, we paid $77 shipped to the door for a working computer. It seems acceptable, and it can kind of game.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking the old FX gaming PC. Actually one of my first gaming CPUs, and 117 bucks all in. You know, we were able to play CS, we were able to play some esports titles while they're a little choppy. This does make a decent, really cheap gaming PC.
And it's beeping like crazy, probably because the monitor's not hooked up. It's not happy about that. Oh my God, hello, we hear you. But hey, in terms of the other benchmarks, it performed okay. Again, it's an FX CPU. In terms of Forza Horizon 5 1080p low settings, you only got 36 FPS average. Again, with a 950 or 2 gigs of VRAM and an FX 6300, that is, well, acceptable. And in terms of 3D Mark Time Spy, we ended up with a score of 2040, which isn't amazing, but a very solid score for a PC that was $117 total. This thing will not shut up, will it? But hey, you know what? Considering we got the PC without the upgrade, adding an SSD for $77 shipped to our door, I really can't complain too much. But will you think about some reason to complain about the $77 PC? Let us know in the comments down below. And Jackson has an important question for you guys.
This thing has a friggin' hot swap bay on it, and I was thinking about it. I'm like, does anybody ever actually use those or in history Did anybody use those? Let us know in the comment section down below, you boomers. As always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. It's saying goodbye to you. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep. Come on down to beepbeepbros.tech.
Beepbros.tech. Just kidding. It's PCBros.tech. We sell really awesome high-end gaming PCs and budget ones, depending on your budget. We got you covered. Use our Toasty Bros 2 on checkout. You'll save 2% on your next purchase and get that 1-year warranty. See you guys later. Goodbye.